Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I'm just playing tonight and thought this would be a pretty neat little video. We've got 6 blocks here, and we want from the right down the middle, and we want them 1 inch off the margin, and then we want the other 4 evenly spaced out. Grab your first square and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Shift select your big box and hit T. Take your second square, any of them, hit P, shift select your big box and hit B as in bottom. And then just bring all these guys kind of close just so we can see it happening. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 1 inch. I'm going to nudge that one in 1 inch. I'm going to nudge that one in 1 inch. I'm going to hit C and center them. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to open up the Align and Distribute Docker, which is under Windows Dockers, Align and Distribute. And I'm going to distribute them vertically. Now, each box is the same distance apart. Now, they're not the same distance off the top and the bottom because our box isn't a certain specific. But we got 1 inch there, 1 inch there. And if we look, just to double check our between them, this is going to be a different number because we didn't start with an even box, but they're all 0.70 from each other because it distributed them equally. So that's align and distribute and how powerful it can be if you're doing a lot of, any kind of drawing that you want something perfect. But if you do some drawing that you have to have stuff equally spaced apart, but 1 inch off and it could have been any number. You know, I could have made them a ½ inch off the surface. So let's move them back a half, move that back a half. Now we've changed these two, but I can just go right here and do them again, and now they're equally spaced. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.